In this video, I'll show you how to make this sort of amazing modern poster for a car. So I'll show you step by step and layer by layer what I have done over this image and what I will do all the process. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Going to the file at first and taking new options, you can take an artboard which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel and pixel per inch which is 300 and RGB color and hit the create button. After that, going to the file and going to the place embed options. From here, so we have all the resources. So I downloaded the background images and going to the place options, select once and you can resize them according to the output and hit the tick button. Right press, rasterize the layer, BG for the background and then make it mask. So going to the mask layer and over there taking the white one. So press D for foreground and background color like that and select once. That's fine. And now on a background, I'll go to here new layer, going to the edit, going to the fill options and from here 50% gray and hit OK. That's fine. And delete the background. This one is our background and we'll place a photo, going to the place embed options and our another photo is this, so place over there and make it bigger. That's fine. And make the fill 12% and opacity down. So in case if you want to use any sort of fill color, go to the fill and go to the solid color. You can use the white or little bit of grayish. In this case, you have to make the opacity and fill color up a little bit, not too much. That's fine. So this one is our BG2. That's fine. Now we'll make all the steps in a group giving the name BG. Good. And now going to the file again, going to the place embed and we'll include the photo of the main car over there. So in this point we just placed over there. Right press, rasterize the layer and make it photo. Rename this. And if you want to use this one in future, you have to make it convert to smart object. In this car you can use the other car or other element, you can make it the smart object instead. That's fine. So now going to the text tool and here I just written down the Porsche signature and lorem ipsum. So I'm taking the name and paste over there. So press Ctrl or Command T, make it bigger and place over there. So press the shift and hold it and make it bigger like that. And I'm making this one this sort of color for the view perspective or the easier view. Otherwise the white background and the white font is not visible, that's why. And now going to the file and place embedded options and from here I'll import the wallpaper and place them into that place and hit the take button and right press, rasterize the layer and photo. That's fine. And now press the alter button and hold it and make it clipping mask. And now going to the solid color and using the solid color like yellowish or orange type. That's fine. And press the alter option button and make it again the clipping mask. Now I'll change the color like that, multiply. That's fine. Or you can do another thing, you can down the opacity. That's fine. So I would like to prefer the blending mode change. It will make more sense and make more visible. That's fine. Or you can select this photo, going to the filter and going to the camera filter. You can make the light or from here you can make the temperature like this and hit OK. That's fine. Now we'll make a group, that is the text group, and now upper side of this I'll make the text layer a little bit of down. That's fine. And I'll write down over there the signature in a cursive font, going to the text tool, SIGNATURE signature, selecting all the stuffs, make it middle and changing up the font like this. So turn off the all caps, make the size bigger of the text and hit the take button. That's fine. And place it over there. Press Ctrl or Command A, make it in the middle. That's good. And now the demo text underneath of the car, and make this one into Poppins, which is the regular type serif font, and change the font size a little bit of down and make the font color white. That's fine. And here make it auto, adding some space between of them, and take these layer in the upper side, otherwise you can't see that. So press Ctrl or Command A, turn off the all caps options, make the font size like 6. That's good. And make the paragraph into the middle. So now in case I'll increase a little bit of the font size, it will make sense, and hit the tick button. That's fine. And now finally we'll add the logo over there, going to the file and going to the place embed options. From here post logo and hit the OK button, and place over there, make it a little bit of smaller, hit the tick button, press Ctrl or Command A, make it middle of the artboard. And now you have to make it blend. How to blend it? Just drop down menu and make it multiply, and making it group, providing the name logo. That's good. And this photo, that is the car photo main, it will be another group over there, and the text layer and BG layer. So I'm deleting this layer which is not necessary, and BG layer I will provide the violet color, text layer blue, and car photo which is green, and the logo red. So this layer coloring will help you out to recognize which layer is representing what types of elements, which is really important for future editing purpose. And saving it out into car poster, saving it out in a PSD format, and after that going to the file and save copy as, and from here you can choose the JPEG version or JPEG format and save it out, use JPG, and OK. You can use it in your social media, you can use it in your portfolio, wherever you can want to use. Now your JPEG is ready. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share it with your friend. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.